Hello everyone, it's story time. Welcome to your library class. Today we are going to read a story from all-time favorite stories. Kids, do you know that stories play a vital role in the growth and development of us? The books that we read and the characters that we get to know from these books become our good friends. The books are a useful source of information, and good reading skills are important for our success in life. In this class, I will narrate you the story Unity is Strength. First of all, I will tell you the story. Then we will read the difficult words with meanings, and then we will read the story. Once upon a time, there lived a flight of pigeons on a tree that flew in search of food to faraway places. One day, they saw many grains scattered on the ground beneath a tree. As they were all very hungry, so they began to eat the grains. Suddenly, a net fell over them. They were all trapped. They saw a hunter approaching them with a huge club. The leader of the pigeons was very wise and brave. He told the pigeons to be calm and follow his instructions. So, he gave an idea to fly up together, carrying the net with them. Then the pigeons flew up with the net, and the hunter looked up in astonishment. He felt helpless as the pigeons made their escape with his net. When the pigeons had flown far away, their leader took them to his friend Mouse. He requested the mouse to gnaw the net and set them free. The mouse happily gnawed the net, and the pigeons were free to fly again and thanked Mouse for setting them free. Now kids, let's discuss the difficult words with their meanings. First word is distant. Distant means far away. Next is search. Search means find. Next is scattered. Scattered means spread. Next is overjoyed. Overjoyed means extremely happy. Next is prepared. Prepared means got ready. Next is fishy. Fishy means doubt. Next is flock. Flock means group. Next is alighted. Alighted means got down. Next is packing. Packing means biting. Next is suddenly. Suddenly means at once. Next is heed. Heed means attention. Next is trapped. Trapped means caught. Next is noticed. Noticed means observe. Next is trick. Trick means a cunning act. Next is wise. Wise means intelligent. Next is trouble. Trouble means problems. Next is unharmed. Unharmed means unhurt. Next is flapped. Flapped means moved. Next is escape. Escape means get away. Next is gnaw. Gnaw means bite. Now, this is your reading time. So take out your page number 22 and put finger over there. Story 7. Unity is Strength. Once upon a time, there lived a group of pigeons on a tree. Every morning, they would fly off to distant places in search of food. Kids, underline the word distant and write meaning over there, far away. Distant means far away. Kids, underline the word search and write meaning over there, find. Find. Search means find. However, one morning they saw many grains scattered on the ground under a tree. Kids, underline the word scattered and write its meaning, spread. Spread. Scattered means spread. Overjoyed at their good luck, they all prepared to feast on them. Kids, underline the word overjoyed and write meaning over there, extremely happy. Overjoyed means extremely happy. Underline the word prepared and write down its meaning, got ready. Prepared means got ready. Their leader warned them, wait, there cannot be so much food on the ground for no reason. I can smell something fishy in it. Kids, underline the word fishy and write meaning over there, doubt. Doubt. Fishy means doubt. Now, listen to the explanation of these lines. So, in the above lines, we have read that there lived a flight of pigeons on a tree that flew in search of food to faraway places. One day, they were extremely happy as they found some grains scattered on the ground beneath a tree. They all wanted to feast on them, but their master warned them as he thought that somebody is playing trick on them. Now let's read again. But the flock paid no heed to his words. Kids, underline the word flock and write meaning group. 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 Flock means group. Underline the word heed and write down its meaning, attention. Heed means attention. They alighted on the ground and started pecking at the grains. Underline the word alighted and write down its meaning, got down. Alighted means got down. Kids, underline the word pecking and write its meaning, biting. Biting. Pecking means biting. Now come to the page number 23. Suddenly, when they tried to move, they found themselves trapped in a net. Kids, underline the word suddenly and write its meaning, at once. Suddenly means at once. Kids, underline the word trapped and write down its meaning, caught. 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 They understood the trick and at the same time noticed a hunter coming near them from a distance. Kids, underline the word trick. It means a cunning act. Underline the word noticed and write its meaning, observe. Observe. The leader of the pigeons was very wise and brave. Kids, underline the word wise and write its meaning, intelligent. Wise means intelligent. He flew down to them and said, listen to me, my friends. We are surely in deep trouble. Kids, underline the word trouble and write meaning, problems. Trouble means problems. But we need not lose hope. I have an idea. We can still get away unharmed. Kids, underline the word unharmed and write down its meaning, unhurt. Unharmed means unhurt. We shall all fly upwards together, taking the net along. Now kids, listen to the explanation of these lines. In these lines, we have read that as they were all very hungry, so they did not pay any attention to their master's word and began to eat the grains. Suddenly, a net fell over them. They were all trapped and understood a cunning act of a hunter. As the master of the pigeons was very intelligent and brave, so he told them not to lose hope and gave an idea to fly up together carrying the net with them. Now come to the page 24. So all the pigeons flapped their wings together and rose high into the air. Kids, underline the word flapped and write its meaning moved. M-O-V-E-D. Flapped means moved. The hunter watched helplessly as the pigeons made their escape with his net. Kids, underline the word escape and write its meaning get away. Escape means get away. When they had flown a distance, their leader took them to his mouse friend. "Help, dear friend," he said to the mouse. "My friend have got trapped in a net. I'm sure you can help us." The mouse was happy to offer help and he began to gnaw at the net. Kids, underline the word gnaw and write down its meaning. Bite, B-I-T-E. Gnaw means bite. Soon the pigeons were free to fly again. Now listen to the explanation of these lines. In these lines we have read that the hunter felt helpless as the pigeons flew up with his net. When the pigeons had flown far away, their leader took them to his friend Mouse. He requested the mouse to gnaw the net, and the mouse happily gnawed the net and set them free. The pigeons were free to fly again and thanked Mouse for setting them free. So kids, the moral of the story is working together makes us stronger. Now I will discuss some cross questions with you. First question is, what did the pigeons see one day under their tree? Answer is, the pigeons saw some grains under their tree. Next is, who warned the pigeons? Answer is, the pigeons' leader warned the pigeons. Next is, why did the pigeons get worried? Answer is, the pigeons got worried as they were all trapped in a net. Next is, how did the mouse help the pigeons? Answer is, the mouse helped the pigeons by gnawing the net. Now kids, I hope you liked and understood the story. Thank you.